Canning Basics: Preserving Your Favorite Foods. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the world of food preservation, specifically focusing on the topic of canning basics. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or just curious about how food can be stored for long periods, this video will guide you through the essential concepts and terms used in canning. Let's get started. Canning is a method of preserving food in which contents are processed and sealed in an airtight container. This process involves heating the food to kill harmful bacteria and enzymes, then sealing it to prevent new bacteria from entering. It's a great way to preserve seasonal foods to enjoy them year-round. 2.1 Water bath canning. This method is ideal for high-acid foods like fruits, jams, and pickles. The food is placed in jars and submerged in boiling water, which heats the contents and seals the jars. 2.2 Pressure canning. Used for low-acid foods like vegetables and meats. In this method, food is heated to a higher temperature in a special pressure canner, which is more effective in killing harmful bacteria. To start canning, you'll need some basic equipment. Canning jars with lids and bands. A large canning pot or pressure canner. Jar lifter and funnel. Ladle and bubble remover. 4.1 Preparing the food. Start by preparing your food. Wash, peel, chop, or cook it as needed. 4.2 Filling the jars. Fill the jars with food, leaving some space at the top, head space. Remove air bubbles and wipe the rim clean. 4.3 Sealing and processing. Place the lid on the jar and screw the band on fingertip tight. Then, process the jars using either a water bath or pressure canner. 4.4 Cooling and storing. After processing, let the jars cool. Check the seals, label the jars, and store them in a cool, dark place. We hope this video has shed light on the basics of canning and inspires you to try this method of food preservation. Remember, canning is not only a way to store food, it's also a delightful journey into the world of homemade goodness. Happy canning, and see you in our next video.